Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another weekly check-in. It is week 4 and we are going to be doing August 22nd through August 28th. Now this week I did a little bit better than last week, I believe, but before we get started, let me know down below if you like these check-ins. Let me know if you do check-ins because I would absolutely love to go and visit your channel and subscribe to you and just get to know you. Also, I am going to be using the Erin Condren. I always forget to mention this, but it's the 8.5 by 11. It is the biggest planner that she has on her website, so the link will be down below. I'm also using Simply Cammie's stickers. I will link her stuff down below. Absolutely love her. And she also sent me this little clip, coral clip, the cardboard, and then the little clip thing to make my little cheat sheet better. So thank you so much, and I will link her stuff down below like I've said. So we are just going to get started. Now on the 22nd, I actually had a no spin day. So we are going to put a no spin sticker on the 22nd. All right. Make it look a little bit better. I'm going to zoom in just so y'all can see it. Alright, so on the 23rd, it was a payday. Now, if you have not seen my cash envelope stuffing or my sinking funds, I will be sure to link that down below also. Alright, I hung out with my brother. I went to go see his new house that he's probably going to buy. And, of course, I used my out to eat. I shouldn't have never put $20 in my out to eat. But we went to Wendy's because we were starving because we had to drive about 30 minutes away to his house and then 30 minutes back, and I was just super hungry and he was hungry, and we were going to go to Sam's to go shopping and stuff, so we just stopped by there. Alright, and then on the same day, on the 23rd, I went to Walmart. I think I mentioned this in a previous videos. I can't remember which one. But my boyfriend had Pioneer Woman stuff that was on clearance, like $3, $15, $5. So I absolutely had to go get it. I got a plate set that was originally $50. I got it for $15. I got table cover. I got a runner, table runner. I got a bunch of stuff. But I spent $44 there. And that came out of my fun money. And that is it for the 23rd. Now on the 24th, I went out to eat again. Of course, it was Starbucks. I had to get my coffee. But it's fine. I think I don't need to put $20 again. I spelled that wrong. Put an S right there, but it's fine. Starbucks. And that was $6. Alright, I hope y'all are having a good week. Mine is going pretty good. I had to work on Wednesday, so the day shift, which was really tiring, but it's fine. Gas, we did $10. I actually have the app for a Murphy gas. If y'all have a Murphy near y'all, make sure y'all go and download that app, because you can get free points, and then when you redeem 200 points, it's 20 cents. So I had gas for like super cheap. I think it was $2.43. I think, no, $2.27 around here, and I only paid $2.07 a gallon. So that was pretty good. All right, so what else? We went grocery shopping that day also, and that gets a pink sticker. And this one's actually the most I've ever spent, so that was $64. Crazy, right? Alright. I am super tired because I literally just woke up from a nap. Alright, then we went out to eat again. We got a chicken sandwich from McDonald's, and that was $4. This was like going on the way to work. So I was super hungry. I had to work night shift and everything, but it's fine. So that is everything that we spent on the 24th. Now, 25th, of course, I was at work. I was starving. We've been working all night. And I went out to eat again. See, I have a problem. I don't need to be doing out to eat. But, you know, you live and you learn. So that was $2 for the cafe. And then I did pay my gym and my phone. Alright, on the 26th, which was Monday, I went on Etsy. And I bought something from Simply Cami. I bought the kit. And then I bought something new from a new shop, which is called La Truce. And if you've seen my August goals, I wanted to go and support one new Etsy shop. So I did that. You will see that in my, what's it called? My August recap goals. So be sure to look out for that. It should be coming out pretty soon because we're at the end of the month. Alright, no spend, but my car was due, so I paid for that. I do not count my bills as a spend. So, because I already had the money in. So that is a no spend. And then on the 28th, we did a no spend also. Alright, you guys. So that is us filling that stuff out. Let me zoom y'all out a little bit. Alright, so to recap, we went to Wendy's for $6. Walmart, $44 for groceries. And then we spent out to eat for $6 and $4 for a sandwich and coffee. Had to get gas. Had to go grocery shopping. Well, this wasn't grocery shopping. This was fun money. And then I went to the cafeteria. I paid my bills. Supported an Etsy shop. And then 2 no spends. So I had 3 no spend days, which is pretty good. One more than last time, but it's pretty good though. Alright, so moving on to our check-in. Alright. Alright, so for groceries, like I said, we spent, I have my little cheat sheet, so it'll be easier for me to look at that instead of flipping it. So for groceries, we spent $64. Alright, and then we're just going to write down all the spends and then do the balances. Alright, gas, we did $10. Fun money was $44. Yep. Out to eat was $18. Sinking funds, we did not do any sinking funds this time, so that was pretty good. And then cushion, I did $29. Alright, so this was the start of a new cash envelope, so we're just going to subtract from here and then check our thing in a minute. So 100 divided by 64, or not divided by, but subtract 64, is $36. Gas is 60 minus 10, which is $50. Fun money, 70 minus 44, $26. Out to eat is 20 minus 18, which is $2. And then sinking funds, let me flip over and see what our balance is for sinking fund. It is $533. So we spent nothing. And that is $533. Alright, and then cushion is 70 minus 29 equals $41 left. Alright, so let's get our trusty Dave Ramsey envelope system. Now this is on his website. I got it for free, like I always said, because I am a member of the Financial Peace University. It's like $140 to join. So if you want to join, you should join. It's a very good community. All right, so groceries, I should have $36 left. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. All right, $36. All right, gas, I should have 50, 20, 40, and 50. Fun money, I should have $26. 10, 20, 25, 26. All right, out to eat, I should have $2. And then cushion is on my debit card, and sinking funds, I'm not counting all those envelopes until next time. All right, you guys, so that is it. This is my weekly check-in for August 28th through August 22nd through August 28th. It is week 4. I hope you are enjoying this video. Let me know down below if you do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have a channel, because I will go and check it out and subscribe to you as well. All the associate links that I have mentioned are down below. Go ahead and check out my other videos that I have. I do grocery hauls. I do what's for dinner. I do stuffing videos. That snowball. Just let me know what you like. Let me know if I need to go and do some new videos. Whatever you want me to do, new ideas. But anyways, I hope you are having a great week. I hope you are having a good weekend coming up, because it is going to be Labor Day. And I will see you guys later. Bye.